What's up, gals? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I have a Shein haul for you guys. I haven't done a Shein haul in a minute. I kind of took a break from them because I was just like, you know what, I'm buying so much clothes and I don't have anywhere to go, so kind of chilled. And then also, if you check out my previous video where I did a tutorial showing how I did this look, I kind of go more in depth about why I kind of chilled doing Shein hauls. But I'm back. I got my order today and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and just do it today. So yeah, before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I do a lot more makeup tutorials there now because you know, I like doing makeup and it's just quicker to do them on IG, and then also people are more prone to watching them just because they're shorter. So yes, but let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is the first outfit. This is gonna be more of a fall haul, but like the first 3 items aren't really fall, but I wanted them, so yeah. Also, I will have my sizes listed down below for each item. But yeah, so this is a 2-piece set, and it is a flowy skirt. I'm gonna step on top of this. All right, so you guys can see this. So it is like this 2-piece skirt. It's really flowy. I can picture myself wearing this like some cute little mule heels. Is that how you say it? Yes, they do have this in different colors, but I wanted this one. I just feel so, ay, papi. Also, you do have room to size down in this if you wanted to. It does have a good amount of stretch, and even the top too. So yeah, I could have done a medium, but I'm okay with a large. If anything, if I was to get smaller, I would just, you know, get this taken in or something, you know. But yeah, this is cute. We're gonna try the next piece. I feel like I look greasy. Alrighty, so this is the next piece and I love this. I'm gonna have to wear this with a waist trainer just so I can be like super snatched. I'm gonna stand up here so you guys can see it. So it's pretty long. It's like midi length. It looks like this and I feel so cute. Ay, caramba. This is such a pretty piece for summer, even though summer's over. But next year, I'm gonna be cute. I didn't care if it was fall. I was like, I want this and I'm gonna wear it again next summer. Well, I'm gonna wear it for the first time next summer. But yes, this is pretty. I think you can stick to your regular size when it comes to this. I don't think you need to size up or size down because it is form-fitting in a good way. So yeah. All right, so this is the last like outfit that is with this type of material. This is adjustable straps, so I can definitely tighten this because you guys can see it's a little loose. But yes, do I have it on backwards? I'm pretty sure I have it on backwards. Oh well, yeah. And it is midi length, so this is it. Super pretty, super form-fitting. Yet again, throw this on with a waist trainer. Well, I'm putting my waist trainer on and have myself just, you know. Ooh, you guys. Okay, where do I even begin? Okay, so first and foremost, I wanted to wear this with a white bodysuit. I know I have one, I just don't know where it's at, but now that I'm looking at it, I think the black background looks better. And what is a Shein video of mine without houndstooth, right? Okay, so this looks cute, but baby, you need to size up. Let me show you guys what I'm looking like. I don't even think I can sit down in this. Like this is, I didn't think too much of this when I bought it. Like, I looked like a stuffed sausage. Like, oh my goodness. This looks horrible. Like, there's no type of shape or anything. I just look. Okay, so this is the next outfit. This is a t-shirt dress. I'm pretty sure I got this in a size extra large because I wanted it to be oversized, and it is cute. The only thing is I am tall, so I just can't be bending over and whatnot. But let me show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna back up. I think, yeah, as you guys can see, so it is kind of short. So this is something I'll probably like wear around the house, you know, or just something chill, like where I'm not gonna be doing too much. I'll wear this to the movies because I'm gonna be sitting down the entire time. But this is not something that I would want to be, you know, doing a lot of activities and around a lot of people. This is definitely chill for me, at least because of my height, and I just don't like to be uncomfortable. All right, so this is the next piece, and it's like a 2-piece set. And let me just say, I freaking love this. I love this. It is gorgeous. So we got the bottoms down here, and they do have this in different colors. I wanted white because something's just so like, you know, clean about white. The only thing is, you see how it's doing this? You see how it's doing this? Okay, so you can go braless with this. You can, but I feel like it won't sit right. I don't know how to explain it, but, and I got this in an extra large because I wanted the bottoms to fit well. And it has pockets, yay. But I feel like the top is like, it's not constructed right, if that makes sense. It's just something that's weird about the top part. They do have this in different colors, and I think I want them in like every single color now. I do like it. I just need to figure out how I'm gonna like wear this, you know, top, but I like this. Ooh. Ooh. It's not double lined, so I would recommend you wearing this with black underwear. I don't even think a thong would do this justice. I would say wear just some black underwear, so that way, you know, your goodies is covered and not everybody's seeing your endowments. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm gonna put on the next outfit. All right, so this is the next piece. It's actually a two-piece set, so you get the bottoms and you get the matching top. I got this in the camel color. Wait, what is this? Okay, it says Parrots here and some other stuff here. This honestly is like a perfect outfit to lounge around in. This is a cute little airport outfit with like some white sneakers, you know, some white trainers. I don't know about trainers, but like some white sneakers. This is really cute. I love how like baggy it is. I feel cool. What? This is cute. Let me see the back. I have no butt. I don't know where I left off at. My camera cut off because it got too hot. This is a different camera that I'm using. My vlogging camera. It's really not meant to be, you know, doing long videos, but the camera quality on this is pristine, so I wouldn't use it. All right, so this is the next two-piece set, and this is perfect to just lounge around the house in. This is the top from that other white two-piece set. Anyway, so it's like this cardigan. You can button it up. These are two outfits, and sorry, it's shorts as well. Sorry, it's shorts. I didn't even back before you guys see that. You can, like, you know, button this up, you know, wear it just on its own. You can wear them together. You don't have to wear it with like a crop top. You can wear it with like a white bodysuit or whatever color. Oh, I'll do white or black with something like this. But you know, this is just cute to just hang out at home in, you know, or just do little quick things. I don't know if I will actually step out with this just because it's about to get real cold. And something's just off about like wearing a cardigan with shorts, because it's like, are you cold or are you hot? You know, so. All right, so these are these lilac shorts that I got. They do have pockets. Ooh, they have pockets. I got this purely just so I can hang out in the house and sleep in these. These are the shorts that I would sleep in. All right, so this is the next top, and this top probably looks familiar because you probably see it in like all my videos and all my pictures. I love this top so much that I have it in like all these different colors. Like I have it in a blue, I got it in a tan that I just bought. I haven't even worn this yet. Have the white one, got the orange one. I've hauled some of these before and I keep buying them. I'm really mad that I didn't get the yellow or the lilac one, but like, I like this top. I love this halter. Oh, I just love this cross. It's so pretty. Next, I got this like baseball tee, I guess you can say. It says California on it. Actually, I didn't realize Shein, they just love California. That's like the only state they ever put on anything. Like, can we get a Texas? Can we get something else, please? Thank you. It's just so cool looking. Probably wear it like, you know, act like I don't care, you know, like it. Okay, it's just not working. I don't know what I'm trying to do. But yeah, I don't think I would pair it with jeans. Well, actually I could. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yes, this is really cute. Just something to just kind of throw on, like, I don't know, just like a throw on. What? Look at this. This is so freaking cute. If you cannot tell by now, if you have been watching my channel for a while in my hauls, I love crop tops, crop shirts, crop sweaters, crop anything. I like it crop, okay? I used to, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I used to be like way heavier. The lowest I got to was 93 pounds lost. I have kind of gained some a little bit back. But essentially, when I was heavier, I didn't like wearing crop tops because I just didn't want to show my stomach. I didn't like the way it looked. But now that your girl's stomach, well, it ain't as flat, but it ain't as big as it used to be, I love crop tops. And this shirt is so cute. I love how vibrant it is. I'm gonna be standing out this fall, this winter. You're gonna see that I'm here with my neon orange. And I love how like loose this. You guys, if this shirt is still in stock by the time I upload this video, you need to get your hands on it. I wonder if they have it in the colors? I can't remember. If they come out with this in a bright neon pink, a bright yellow, neon yellow, and a neon lime green color, I'm buying it, like hands down. Like this is so cute. Like it's so cozy feeling, but it's so bright. I like bright colors. I feel like I look good in bright colors. All right, so this is the next crop top that I got. This was a part of Shein's, their fall collection. I was shopping through the campaign. I was like, let me see if I see anything. And I don't know why I just wanted this. Like, it's so cheesy, but I kind of liked it. But yeah, it's like you get the black and white stripes here, and then you get the yellow and white stripes here, which are a little bit thicker than these. And then you get this like baby pink and like maroon stripes, and it's like that at the back as well too. All right, so this is the next top, and it's just really pretty, like yellow crop top. It honestly looks like, you know, those carpets, little soft plush carpets. It's so cute. Oh, I look cute. My makeup looks really good today. Makeup looks really, really cute today. Oh, all right, next is this crop top right here. It is like this lilac shade, and I mean, it's pretty simple. You guys, these jeans, like when I say I feel so motivated to lose weight, to continue losing weight, I used to be able to just throw these jeans on. The fact that I'm getting like a muffin top with this on, ridiculous, ridiculous. But yeah, this top is cute. It's just your basic like lavender crop top. Yeah, not much to say about this. Okay, so this is the next top that I have, and it's like this color block where you get red here, you get a tan color, navy blue, dark green, and red, and then a red collar. I like this. The material looks like it's supposed to be heavy. Like I have a shirt that's similar to this, and I got it from Fashion Nova, I believe, and it's so much more heavier. It physically looks like that, but it's not nearly as heavy. And I don't think that if I was to wear this outside in the cold, whenever it does get cold here in Texas, and it's like super cold and windy, I'm gonna be freezing. Like it looks, it's a facade. It looks like it's gonna keep you warm, but it's not your heavy duty stuff. My hair looks good when I actually do it. Oh wow, I can actually look nice when I try. Hey, I got one more top and then we'll be done. Okay, so this is the last top. I've been looking for like a nice plaid top. Now I actually would wear this unbuttoned with like a white top underneath, but I just like putting on something that's like it's like 6:36 in the evening when I'm filming this, and I don't ever film this late, so I'm tired. But yeah, it's this top. I got this out of the plus size section, so I feel like I wanted it to be more of an oversized look, and I feel like right now it just looks a little form-fitting. But I think because I do have it buttoned up, if I was to unbutton it, it should be fine. The arms are a little tight, so yeah, maybe I could have like went up another size just so like I could have really had that oversized look going on. But yeah, this is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below if you liked anything from this haul, if you're gonna pick up anything from this haul, what was your favorite, what didn't you like, you know. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.